Most people trying to make money online are wasting their time. They're stuck chasing views, grinding away for pennies, or relying on ad revenue that won't even cover a decent dinner out. That's because they don't know that there's an easier way to make money from content creation. You can work smarter, not harder, and actually make serious money, up to $22,000 a month, using tools that are available to anyone. By combining AI with an untapped monetization method, you can create stunning videos for social media that not only go viral, but also generate real income. In this video, I'm going to show you how, step by step, in a way that's so straightforward anyone can follow it. Step 1. Set up your TikTok account. First, think about your niche. A niche is just your topic or theme, and it's important because it helps attract the right audience. Good niches for AI videos include sci-fi, nature, motivational quotes, or even storytelling. Pick something that excites you because it'll make the process more fun and sustainable. Next, you need a social media account to post your videos. TikTok is the best option for this method because its algorithm loves pushing fresh, eye-catching content to people who aren't already following you. This means you can grow your account quickly, even if you're starting from zero. Setting up your account is simple, but there are a few steps you need to nail to make sure your account stands out. Start by picking a name that reflects the kind of content you're going to post. If you're planning to create AI-generated videos about futuristic cities, for example, you could go for something like Next Gen Scenes or Future Vision AI. The name should be short, memorable, and give people a hint of what to expect. You can use ChatGPT to help you with coming up with a name. Now, you'll need a logo. A logo makes your account look professional and helps build trust with your audience. Don't worry, you don't need to hire a designer. Tools like Canva are free and super easy to use. Search for a logo template, look through the options, and choose a simple design that matches your niche. Open it up and then edit it the way you'd like. You can easily change the colors, text, and fonts, and add icons from the Elements tab on the left. When you're happy with your logo, go ahead and download the image. Now, upload it to your TikTok account. At this point, you should have a name and a profile picture, which is your logo. Now, in the bio, you just need to write a couple of sentences explaining what your TikTok page is about. Make it short, clear, and interesting. Step 2. Generate images. The first step is to create the visuals for your video, and this is where an AI tool called Leonardo AI comes in. This software is free and gives you 150 credits every single day to generate high-quality images, so it's perfect for beginners. To get started, go to the Leonardo AI website and create a free account. Once you're logged in, click on the Image Creation button. This will take you to a page where you can type in a prompt. A prompt is just a description of what you want the image to look like. For example, if your video is about a dreamy forest, you might write, "A magical forest with glowing trees and soft light filtering through the leaves." Coming up with good prompts can be tricky at first, but don't overthink it. For realistic results, use the Cinematic Kino preset and set the generation mode to quality if you have a paid plan, or keep it on fast if you're on the free plan. Under Image Dimensions, click on More and then on TikTok. Each image takes a small amount of your daily credits, so be smart about how many you generate. You'll need around 12 images for a 1-minute video. Start by generating 3 images with your chosen prompt. Then repeat the process 3 times with either the same prompt or different prompts to get enough footage. Once you're happy with your images, download them to your computer. Step 3. Animate your images. Still images are great, but animated ones are even better for grabbing attention. Luma Labs is a great AI tool that can take your still images and turn them into short video clips with movement, making them look more dynamic and professional. First, sign up for a free account on the Luma Labs website. Once you're logged in, upload one of the images you created in Leonardo AI. The software will ask you to describe the animation you want. Keep it simple. Something like add subtle wind effects and light movement will work perfectly. Once you're happy with the settings, hit Generate and watch as your static image transforms into a short animated clip. Repeat this process for all of your images, Then download the animated clips. These will form the building blocks of your video. Step 4. Edit your video.
CapCut is a free video editing app that's perfect for this.
It's simple to use and has all the features you'll need. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import your animated clips into the timeline and arrange them in the order you want. To make the video flow smoothly, add transitions between the clips. A simple blur or fade transition works well and gives the video a professional touch. CapCut even has an Apply to All button, so you can add the same transition to every clip with one click. Once your clips are arranged and transitions are added, your video will start to take shape. Don't worry if you're not a pro editor. This process is quick and easy. Step 5. Add final touches. No video is complete without music. The right soundtrack can make your video more engaging and help set the mood. For example, if your video has a futuristic vibe, electronic or ambient music might work best. Once you have an idea of the genre, head over to a royalty-free music website like Pixabay. Search for tracks that match your theme, then download one that fits. Import the music into CapCut, adjust the volume, and sync it with your video. To make your video stand out, you can add some text like "Life 2,000 years from now" or "Imagine being here." And just like that, your AI-generated video is ready to post.
Step 6. Monetize your videos. Now that you've got a great video, it's time to monetize it. Here's the thing, the TikTok Creativity Program alone won't get you to $22,000 a month. It's just not reliable or high enough. Instead, the real money comes from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. Every time someone clicks your link or makes a purchase, you get paid. And thanks to platforms like Glitchy, you can even earn money just from clicks. No sales required.
To get started, sign up for a free account on Glitchy. Once you're in, go to the Offers tab and browse through the products available to promote. Choose something that matches your niche and would interest your audience. For example, if your videos focus on tech, you could promote gadgets or software tools. If your videos focus on motivation or AI tools, pick products related to those niches. After selecting a product, copy your unique affiliate link. Add this link to your TikTok bio or video description and include a clear call to action. Something as simple as, "Check out this amazing product, link in bio," works well. The key is to make it easy for viewers to click your link. This system works because it combines two powerful tools: AI for creating videos and affiliate marketing for monetization. AI lets you produce amazing content quickly and with minimal effort, while affiliate marketing provides a reliable way to earn money. Together, they create a scalable system that can generate serious income. What will your TikTok videos be about? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.